Now we are going to make the homemade fondant. The ingredients are ready here. We have the icing sugar, and then that's shortening, and the liquid glucose, the glycerin, gelatin, and water. Now pour the water into the gelatin and allow it to rest for about like say 30 seconds to about a minute, and microwave that for 30 seconds on medium power, and mix together with shortening, and then microwave both of them together again for 30 seconds, and then get the shortening completely mixed up with the gelatin, transferring it into like a bigger bowl, and onto that I'm adding the liquid glucose, into that adding the glycerin, and again microwave all of them together for about 30 more seconds. Now make a well in the center of the sifted icing sugar and add the liquid ingredients warm, and don't allow it to cool down. So add it warm and mix it up with a spatula like shown, because it will be too hot to touch, and then start using the hands and then keep kneading. As it is sticky, add more icing sugar and then keep kneading, and add as much icing sugar as it would need to become a dough which is like not quite sticky, and then keep kneading. Like if you are using your hands and if the dough is sticking to your hands, just clean up your hands, wash it up, and then dry your hands, and then get back to kneading it, and only then you will know the texture if it has just come out really good. Now if you have like sticky hands, you keep kneading, then it is not going to turn out, or you wouldn't know if the kneading is enough or not. Now once you have like a smooth dough which is like really white and not sticky, and then you're done with making the fondant, and then you will have to wrap it in cling wrap and then leave it in room temperature for a minimum of 8 hours overnight. If you're going to store it longer, then transfer the cling wrapped fondant into an airtight container, and then you could just leave it in room temperature, or you could also keep it in refrigerator so it doesn't dry out or form a film on the top.